Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Bailey and we are doing Cindy Lou Who Point 2 because we've already done it once, haven't we, Bailey, when you were little? So we're doing a slightly different version today. Hope you love it. Let me know in the comments if you do. Let's get started. So I am starting off by just collecting a little bit of hair in the centre of the head because this is going to be our little anchor. I'm then going to get 2 donuts like that, plonk them together, and we're just going to pull this little ponytail through these donuts. I'm going to secure these donuts together. So next what we're going to do is create a circular shape around this donut. We don't want it too big. And I'm not very good at creating this shape, but just round-ish. Place this hair into a bubble, like so. Now, the next bit is optional. I'm going to put a bit of wire in Bailey's hair just to give us a really nice bend and so it doesn't go kind of all floppy, but really, you don't have to do this bit. This bit's just me being a bit extra. So I'm just going to kind of thread that through, like so. And again, just to be a little bit extra, I am just going to kind of cover that bobble with a little piece of hair. So then you're just going to braid the hair as normal, like so, all the way down. So I'm just trimming off these bits of wire here, guys. So Bailey isn't just kind of staring off into the distance here. She is actually watching her iPad over on the chair, aren't you, Bailey? Watching The Grinch. She said she wanted to get in the mood. Just going to grab an elastic. Is it one of your favourite Christmas films, that one?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that one. And Alf, I think.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, and what's the other one? Christmas
Chronicles?
Yes, I like that one as well.
1 or 2?
1.
I like 2.
Tell us in the comments, 1 or 2, Christmas Chronicles, which is better. We're having a family dispute. So this is Bailey's favourite bit now, isn't it? She always feels so silly when we put this on, right? So this is our lovely eBay fake bangs or fringe. So in it goes. So you just literally just clip it in. I might need to cut it a little bit actually. So next I'm just going to clip in, sorry Bales,
It's okay,
some extensions. They are slightly different colour, but you know what? Who's going to know, Bailey?
Who's gonna know?
Who's going to know? So these are going to make our little flowery bits at the front, and then we're going to get our little braid and we're going to pin that in. So you'll just take this section of hair and make a nice big loop with it, like so. And then I'm just going to pin that into place. I'm just sliding our little bow in there on that side. Time to do the other side, Bales. Oh, nice. Cover up a little bit of these grips on this side, guys. I'm just putting in a little bit of Christmas bling. So just adding a bit of extra bling across the bottom here. You can kind of do anything you want with Cindy Lou. Bit of tinsel. So I'm just splitting this ponytail now. I'm doing a little bit of back comb just in the centre because we're going to create one more little domey bit. And it's just kind of easier to do with a bit of back comb there. So pop in a little elastic in there. Make this secure. The easiest way I've found to do this is to create like kind of like little anchors for myself. So we're just going to take a strand of hair, wind it up and then pin it, and that's going to really help to stabilize this last little poof. This is not my strong point, is it, Bailey makeup? You can't speak at the minute because I'm doing your lips. That's so funny. So guys, we are doing our little outro. We obviously have a cape, don't we, Bailey? Because, you know, Cindy Lou. Are you feeling very Cindy Lou-esque?
I am.
Let us know in the comments if you think me and Bailey have nailed Cindy Lou this year. Do you think we have? Fingers crossed, baby.
Wait, how many years ago was it that we last did it?
I think it was about 5, maybe 6 years ago now.
I thought it was like 2.
Yeah, you're looking very Christmassy. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye. Bye-bye.